In this tutorial, we are going to install and configure Python and VS Code on macOS. By the end, you will have everything set up and ready to start coding in Python on your Mac. Let's dive in. So first thing we have to download. So for that, what I'm going to do, I will go to this website, python.org. And here we have a download option and download from Mac OS Python 3.14. Okay, we need to allow it. Let's allow, and it is going to be downloaded. Let's go to the downloads and double click on this, then click on continue. If you want to read about this, read this or save this, then press continue, then continue installing the software. You must agree the terms. So I agree the terms. And installation type, we'll go with the default, then provide the password. All right, so it has been installed. Close this, and if you are doing practice, then keep it. Otherwise, for me, there is no use, so I move it to the trash, and it has been deleted. And after that, we got this folder. Okay, so how we can find where is this folder? Actually, this is created over here in applications. So let's go over here, applications, and so here if you see Python 3.14. Okay, so this folder is created in the application folders. Remember this, where is the location? Initially, first time when we install it, it's automatically open, so it's sometimes it's difficult to find, but that's okay. So now Python is installed, and let's check the version. Clear Python 3 dash dash version. And if you see in my system, Python 3.9.6. So this is most likely Python is already installed on your system, but we have installed and we want to use the latest version, right? And that's why we installed. So how we could do that? So it's already been installed, but the terminal was not refreshed. So let's open new terminal, and here we go. All right, so latest version has installed 3.14. Okay, and now, so here there are some things. It's the same. Okay, it's accessing the Python. Like we already saw, there are several ways to run a Python code. For Windows, here we also have the same. So ideally, is by default, or I would say the inbuilt editor which comes, okay, with the Python. When you install Python, that you will find it to write a program with this. And another thing, like as I said, in order to access this Python shell, so very simple thing how we could do that. Okay, so in order to access the Python shell, we can just hit enter, I mean Python 3, and our Python shell is over here. And now we know how simple we can write any of the program. Let's say 2 plus 2. I mean, of course, we are just, I already explained how to use this. So this is a way you can execute or use the Python shell. Okay, now we exit, and we also saw already ideally is another way right here. For example, it's if I do same thing, 2 plus 2, and here we go, we got the output score. Okay, so we know which way is better and which way is not. And I mean better, it means of course it's our preference. Everything has plus and minus. So let me exit this one. Okay, so these are the some inbuilt ways, but as I said, we want to use our Visual Studio Code, and for that, let's visit the website. So here we go, code.visualstudio.com. Here we have option. Come over here and simply click on this. It's automatically find the correct thing for you. Allow, and the same thing. It goes to downloads. All right, it's done. Let's go over here. Downloads. Okay, and here we go. We got the Visual Studio Code. If you want to access it from over here, you can double click on this. But what I'm going to do, I'm just drag and drop in application folder. It's gone. Then click on this. And then click on this. Yeah, open. Okay, so just simply click on Markdown, and let's close this as well. And here what you have to do, if you don't want to see this again, just uncheck this, and here we have option in this span. Okay, we will see everything. We are going to use the VSCode for the tutorial, so don't worry for that. But here what's important at the moment for us, so this one, extension. Okay, let's go over here, extension, and here we have to search for the extension Python, and you will find it. Click on this. Okay, it's on the Microsoft, and let me install it. And if you see, when I select this, it's also installed other dependent or other plugins as well. Okay, that's done. And here we go. It says open project. So let's say mark done. And let's come back over here. And here the same thing. It says open a folder. Okay, here also an option. So let's open a folder. And let's say desktop, open. Fine. And here trust this. Yes. And here let's create test.py. We are just testing it over here. And here we go. Print hello. All right. So let's execute. And when we click over here, so here we go. Python is already installed on our system, and VSCode is also installed on our system, and which is working. That's it for this tutorial on installing Python and VSCode. Head over to exercise labs link in the description to practice what you have learned. If you found this helpful and easy to follow, consider supporting our channel. The fastest way is to hit the like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly Python lessons. Got questions or feedback? Drop them in the comments. I read everyone and love hearing from you. Next up, we will cover how to install Python and VS Code on Linux. So stay tuned, keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, keep coding, keep growing. See you in the next one. Happy coding. Until then, bye-bye.